In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the folder history on Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to access your Google Drive. Open your favorite web browser and in the address bar, type in drive.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to access your files. Once you're logged in, it's time to locate the folder or file that you want to check the history for. Take a moment to browse through your Drive. You can use the search bar at the top if you're looking for something specific, or simply scroll through your folders until you find the one you want. Once you've located the folder or file, right-click on it. This action will open a context menu with several options. Now, from that context menu, look for the option that says File Information. Hover your mouse over that option to reveal a submenu. In that submenu, you'll see an option labeled Details. Go ahead and click on Details. After you click on it, a panel will open up on the right side of your screen. This panel provides a summary of the item you've selected, but what we're interested in is the activity related to it. At the top of this panel, you'll see a tab that says Activity. Click on that tab to view a detailed history of the actions associated with the folder or file. Now this is where it gets interesting. You'll see a timeline that shows when your item was created, edited, moved, or even shared. This timeline will also indicate the individuals who perform those actions, which is incredibly helpful if you're working on a team project or collaborating with others. You can scroll through the timeline to see all the updates and changes made, allowing you to track the evolution of your document or folder over time. If you want to see even more details about specific actions, clicking on any entry in the timeline can provide additional information. Whether it's a simple edit or a major change in the folder's structure, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. So to recap, the process is fairly straightforward. You access your Drive, locate the folder or file, open up its information panel, and then check out the activity history. This feature is not only useful for keeping track of changes, but also for ensuring that everything is in order, especially when multiple people are involved in the same project. And that's it. You now know how to view the folder history on Google Drive. Remember, keeping up with these changes can greatly enhance your productivity, making collaboration smoother. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it so you can stay updated on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!